Hello, this evening I'm here with Granny G, and I want to show Granny G, since she is not from our country, how we do brushing and flossing of our teeth. Oral care is very, very important, and here in the United States we tend to do oral care at least twice a day, and usually if you can brush your teeth after meals, that's a good thing as well. So first I'm going to start by showing you a couple of tools that I have. The first thing I have is a regular soft toothbrush. It should be a soft bristle, one that isn't going to destroy your teeth. And also, if you look along the edges of your gum lines, a lot of people have etching on their teeth. The second thing I have is dental floss. You should get a wax dental floss. Some people prefer unwaxed, but usually the wax floss is easier to get in between those tight places. The next thing I have is a floss holder. If you're not able to handle the dental floss on your own, you can use this floss holder, and it very easily will be able to slip the dental floss in between your teeth. Dental floss is used to clean out the caries and the plaque that build up in between your teeth. And lastly, I have a tool here that is used, it's an interproximal stimulator, and it's used to massage the gum tissues, much in this fashion. If you put this in between your teeth,
Hey, is Bruce home?
you can massage your teeth and help the gum tissue to become smaller and thus more easier to clean in between them. So you use the interproximal cleaner like this. Put it in between your teeth, and you just massage in an upward motion, a few seconds on each tooth, just like that. Some places you won't be able to get it in as far. If you have any kind of a periodontal issue, which is like a pocketing in between your tooth and your gum, you might be able to lodge this in a little bit further. For example, such as that in the back. The dental floss I'm going to show you, since I'm holding the telephone and taking the video with one hand, I'm going to show you how to use dental floss. And you do this before you brush your teeth. You just stick the floss in between your teeth like this. Once the dental floss is in place, you're going to want to pull it to the side and let it slip underneath the gum tissue, just like this. Can you see how that goes up and underneath the gum tissue? That is going to let you get the plaque that is built up, the stuff that has the bacteria in it, out from in between your gums, just like this. So you're going to pull to one side, and then you're going to pull to the other side. If you prefer to use dental floss that comes in a tube just like this, just pull out a length about 18 inches. You want to wrap it around your fingers, and I will demonstrate this in a minute. Wrap it around your fingers and floss in just the same manner. The dental floss, you should use a fluoride type of toothpaste, or with your toothbrush, you should use a fluoride type of toothpaste. Put on an adequate amount of toothpaste. You don't need a whole lot. And when you're brushing your teeth, you need to point the bristles upward towards your gum tissue, just like this. And you're going to brush in a circular motion. You don't want to scrub back and forth, because scrubbing back and forth can destroy the enamel and destroy the tooth structure that's along the gum line. So you want to gently go this way. Much in that fashion. You also want to brush the biting surfaces of the teeth, and this one you can scrub back and forth on, just like this. So that you've cleaned all surfaces of your teeth. Remember, when you're brushing your teeth, you want to get inside your cheek. It's like this. Move your cheek out of the way. You want to get inside on the roof of your mouth and beside your tongue, like this. And then you also want to brush the biting surfaces, much like this. Although we do have fluoride in our water here in the United States, you usually want to use a fluoridated toothpaste, because that will help reduce some of the dental cavities that you can get. I'm going to set my phone down for a minute here and show you how to properly hold a piece of dental floss. So much like this. You take out a small length of dental floss, about 18 inches. Just like that. And you want to wrap it around your finger, just like this. And when you go to slide it in between your teeth, you want to brace it with your thumb or your first finger and just slip it in between your teeth, just like that. Wrapping it tight around the tooth, wrapping it tight around the tooth so that you can get up underneath the gum. And I will show you like this. So on each tooth, you're going to clean two sides. You're going to pull the floss to the left, clean this side of this tooth, pull your floss to the right, and clean the side of that tooth. That's pretty much how you do dental care here in the United States. You might want to finish with an oral rinse, a mouthwash of some kind that will it not only freshens your breath, but also some of the mouth rinses do have some antibacterial properties to them and can help reduce dental caries. So Granny G, I hope this has been helpful for you. And if you have any questions, of course, I want you to ask me. And in the meanwhile, I'll be talking with you soon. Thank you.